Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to design a slab with using strip method. Now let's say we have a symmetrical case here. It's pretty symmetric, the case we have it here. Except let's add a column to here as well. So the plan, let's add another column. And let's say I have a symmetrical case building a habit here. I define everything. Let's say it's come to design of slab. I want to use strip method design rather than using the finite element methods. I want to use strip method design. So we'll go to edit design strip, add design strips. Since it's symmetry here, it'll be easy for us. Now we're gonna work in one story. Let's just story 2 here. I'll choose this one to be story 2, and we can copy it down for the other story. Story 2. So select add design strip along the grid lines. We need to include middle strip between them. Now in the X direction, strip layer A, auto, you apply, you'll see strips coming. It's okay in the area even if there is nothing, it will be neglected by the design. Then we're gonna select Y direction and we'll choose strip layer B, you'll apply it, you'll have the other direction. Now you can repeat this one for story 1 or you can replicate those things, same manner. If I go to story 1, I don't have those because it's only added to one story. So I can go to story 1 and do the same procedure. Y, B direction, then X layer A, I can add it. If you have a lot of stories, you don't need to add one by one. There's another way that we can do it. So press OK here, Control Z, Control Z. Let's say if I only have this in the, for example, story, I have it in the second story, I have those layers. In order to show them, I can go to here, other assignment, and design strip object, show width of them. I can see it like this, so that the width of those things that we have it here. Now, this is not available. So just one layer would be nice. Okay. You can see it in one layer here, not both together. This is one layer. I'm sure you've seen this one in the concrete design. If you go for the other layer, you'll see it in this manner. So we have the column strip, the middle strips here. Let's keep the width of them, the base. So I want to see both strips to be shown there. Okay, now this is, I have it in a story 2. If I have multi-story, I'm not going to repeat the same procedure to add it one by one. What will I do? Go to select object types. We're going to select both strip layers, select them. So select all of them and use replicate. Replicate in a story 2. I can choose story, take this one to story 1. That's it. Press OK. And you'll see in the first story you have the same thing, and so on. If you have multi-story, you'll be able to use this one for all the stories. So if you select the strip design here, now if you go for concrete slab design, whether here, let's say you went through the things here, you'll change it. Let's say the cover, I'll make it 20. This is 20. The bar size, we can prefer bar size, we'll make it 10 millimeter. Inner slab layers, you can choose any of them, A and B, according to the length of the slab, which side you decided to be the inner layer. Press OK. Then you have the preference, go to design, the same thing there. Let's say combination, if I have it, we'll see the combination here. Then I'll just run I can select the story, select story for the design. This is story 1 or story 2. Doesn't matter. Press OK. Then we will we have to analyze it, sorry. Analyzing it, then we'll go for the design. So we select everything, we will analyze it, and we'll go for the design. go to, there's column maybe record there, it's okay. We'll go to design, make sure to select story 1, let's say here. I'll start design here. Now designing here, like it will be the middle strip. So if I go to plan here for the story 1, I'll say this is the strips design, we have it here, and you will see a bar this time, a layer under it. Say this is the 312, 637, 331. This is what bottom reinforcement area per millimeter square for the strip here. For example, 148. This is the steel bars, you see it here. Now if I go to display flexural design here, this time it's based on the strip. Based on the strip, this is layer A. If I change this into layer B and press apply, I'll see the other layer, 421 millimeter. That's basically the bottom bar. I can show both of them, top bar as well, bottom bar as well. This is the top bar, this is the bottom bar. 420 millimeter required here. You can change this one by yourself to number of bar, or you can use Etabs to show number of bars. Bar size with 10. So you can allow you to change this one with 10. 6, 5, 10. 6, 5, 10. 5, 5, 10. 3, 5, 10. This is with a number of bar if required. The specific size, it will give it to you. You don't want the diagram, that's basically only the reinforcement. You can see it on, you can see basically the bottom and the top. You can see both layers as well together, the full reinforcement that you have it. The numbers will be written over it. Can you change this one for different values? And you can, intensity can be shown. This is according to intensity or total rebar area. The intensity is basically per unit this, per 1 meter. It's for example 210 millimeter per meter required there. This is the total area required for the strip, and you can change this one to whatever size you prefer. Or you can even choose here the size of it, and it will, according to the bar size, will tell you that this is what you have it there. Within the strip you have 6 bar. Within this strip, for example, you have this, the bottom, the top of it, you have it here. Press OK. This is the design of slab. Look, it's the way, the conventional way you see it. Conventional way you see it from there. Why? Because column strip, middle strip, it's the way that it is. If you go for finite element methods, for example here, if I go back for the design and concrete slab design, here, finite element methods case, it will show me in this way. This is finite element methods. Again, it's going to show me is what millimeter square per meter. According to what? The direction it has it. This will, it's going to show it to me. It's not going to show me the way that we know it from middle strip. It's going to show you with the way that I told you with the area case. So the area, whatever the area you have it there, will be showing to you per meter square. This is finite element method. So like the design here is only for one of them done. You can do the design for the top as well, whatever you want to do. I believe this is in the design where the if you have a strip design, you can also show the diagrams as well. So let's go for undeformed shape. There is one other thing that will appear here, display strip forces. I mean, the same way that we had, this is for frame, this was for slab, which is mainly for finite element method, and this is in the case of strip. In the case of strip, you have this one as well. For different layers, you can show the moment, you apply it, you'll see the moment diagram that you've seen in the design you're doing. You'll find those moments with the different methods. So this is going to show you also the moments that you have it. So for the dead case, for the live, or you can apply them for the combination, whatever the combination you have it. For the different layers, or both of them can be shown in both directions. I show values. Are those basically your preference to see the values of the moments, whatever you have with axial force, torsion, shear force, all can be seen here. This was not appearing if you do finite element methods. This will appear in the finite element methods. This is basically what we said in the finite element methods, that you can see the location of the maximum and negative moment. For example, in the negative and positive, this is negative moment to positive together on the same drawing here. I believe this is enough for the design process for at least for this course. Yeah, sure, you need further detailing, further information, more idea in the design. I mean, just following this procedure, you may not be qualified to do design. You have to have a lot of informations. I mean, relocation of the columns, the way that you have to let the program to force the way that you want. There are still some other analysis that you need to know about P delta analysis, if you have cylinder columns, non-cylinder columns, many more detailings available that it's not for the part for this course here. So I believe up to here for the design is enough. I will have some short videos for the reporting detailing. I will do some detailing as well, and we'll prepare some reports, be able to see if you do a simple design, how would you provide this one to people. So reporting and detailing will be some other videos, we'll explain them. Thanks for watching.